How's it going, everybody? I think I'm the first one to leave, headed to Portage Lakes this weekend with the guys camping and whatnot. It's 6:25. I left this morning about 5, I think. I'll get up here. It's about 3 hours and 15 minutes. So we're on our way. I think everybody else is supposed to get there midday, something like that, mid-afternoon. So we'll see you back up there when everybody else is there. All right, guys, we have made it. 3 hours and 15 minutes later. Finally got here at about 9. Got the kayak unloaded. I don't know if you can, kind of right there. I'm gonna go see if can hook into some fish before the other guys get up here. So we'll see. I didn't even move it. It was just sitting on top. Wow, there we go. Switched up to the Berkeley Stunner Ghost Shad. Little feller. Kind of been fishing the grass and all that kind of stuff this morning, and now I've kind of transitioned to a kind of a rocky, more pebbly, sandy bottom. See if I can't find one cruising these, I guess, little tiny rocky flats. I just lost one on the 10-inch worm, so hate that I missed it, but that's a good sign. So I don't know, we'll see. Catch on a 10-inch worm, but we'll take it. Nice little chubby guy. It's a pretty nice one.
All right, guys, we are headed to Portage Lakes. I think that's what it's called. It's like Nimisila Lake. I think I'm saying that right. It's up near Akron, Ohio. We're staying in a campground. And it's me, Josh, Colton, Austin, Andrew, Jake. Like, we got a bunch of us going. So we're all kind of going separate. We're all just meeting up there. Colton can't leave till noon. It's like almost 9 o'clock. I'm gonna leave here in about an hour and head up there. Jake's leaving soon. Josh is already up there. So you can see I got all my stuff packed. This thing is loaded down. So I just got my oil changed. I'm headed home to get my kayak loaded up and freaking head out and go camp for the weekend, film everything, see what we can catch, see how we do. So keep you guys updated. I'm sure there'll be 5 or 6 different cameras rolling at all times, and we'll see how we can do this weekend and how much fun we can have. I made it to our home for the next few days. Nice campground. The lake is over there somewhere. Josh is actually currently out on the lake. I don't know where Jake is. He's up here somewhere. Colton's on his way up here. Austin's on his way. He should be here in a minute. And then Andrew is coming up tomorrow. So he starts setting up camp. Another one. Wacky. This is a nice one. This is a really nice one. Pretty good one. Smallest one. One takes a break. Jake just got here, so we're gonna go meet him at the ramp and try to see if he can get on some fish. All right, guys, we got a little bit of camp set up. We got some canopies, all of our seats, coolers, propane stoves, tent. There's my tent. That lot over there is Josh and Jake's, which I think they're out fishing now. And then me and Colton, this is our lot. And then over there is Austin and Andrew. Austin had to go to Walmart, get some stuff. We forgot trash bags and stuff. But yeah, the majority of it's set up. I'm gonna wait for everybody else to get here. Colton said he'll be here in about an hour. And then once he gets here, I'm gonna load up my kayak and get all my stuff rigged, or the majority of my stuff is rigged up, but got all my poles and everything ready to go. Once he gets here, we'll head out on the water. The boat ramp luckily is literally like 50 yards that way, so catch you guys soon.
There she is. That's all she wrote. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
I can put this rain cover on before it's
Yeah, before you get water in it. Dude, this water is like insanely clear. Clearer than what we're used to.
That was a good one. That is a dandy. Yes, sir. First fish at Nimisila. Let's freaking go. I'll get a measurement on this girl and a picture. Get her back to where she belongs. What a good one. First bass of the day. I missed like 2 that were 10 times bigger, but it's a good day. Look at that. Nice.
I was not expecting that. I didn't think I hooked him very good, but I did. Oh my gosh. Right after the other. That was within, I don't even know, 2 minutes? "17" 2.9 pounds. Sweet. So far, this place has been awesome. Took me a little while to get one, but I'm catching good fish.
A nice one. Oh yeah. Ooh, there's something messed up with his eye. This guy's blind. That's crazy. There you go. Thank you, buddy. There we go. I'm on them now. Right there. Boys and girls, we got one on the glide bait.
a good one.
Oh, he's tiny. He's so small. I put the freaking beans in that one. But he doesn't act smart. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Yes! It looked pretty good. I may have got that on my GoPro, maybe.
Hey guys, we're loaded up on the road now. We are heading north, Lake Nimisila. Gonna meet up with the rest of the guys. They're already up there. I had to work today. Got about 2 hour and 30-minute drive, and we're gonna camp all weekend. Do a lot of fishing, hang around the fire. We'll make some good content, and looking forward to seeing what we can catch. They've already caught a few bass, and so it looks like the bite's on. So see you there.
Fire across Cinco.
You fishing? Or are you gonna wait?
I don't know. I want to.
Colton's out there still. Colton
How is it?
You see Colton right there.
Okay, ready?
I caught all my fish within 5 and 10 feet.
There he is. Oh, he hit it on the way down. Good little bass. Tore that spinnerbait up. Thank you, bud.
I cast they was busting topwater after something, and anywhere you seen them busting topwater.
I've seen a lot of them chasing bass fry. They were about yay long, and they
What
were
I
in
seen
schools
coming
by
up-
like 200 or 300.
All right, well, let's go around. We're gonna talk about our day.
The whole way up here. THP podcast the whole way.
Oh, I'm not doing that yet. I start my THP podcast
Dude.
like August.
The whole way up here.
Yeah.
Same.
I listened to Meat Eater. I listened to the Meat Eater trivia because I waited for that today, and then the hunting public, and then some bass fishing one came out.
No, THP, I do start, but I save them. I don't watch them throughout the year. I save them until August, and then it is game on.
I was like, man, it really shows my age. Here I am driving 3.5 hours listening to podcast the whole way.
All right, Jake, how many fish did you catch today?
1.
Josh, how was your day? How many did you catch?
10 or 12. I don't really remember. It was actually first time being here. Really good day.
And where are we at?
Nimisila.
There we go.
That's how you pronounce it. I assume that's right. I think we're gonna stay the whole weekend here because I think we got something figured out with the grass. So
Colton?
Yeah, I landed 2 with a spintail worm, and I missed a huge one, so that's always great. It came off the hook, but we'll get to it tomorrow.
Awesome.
And I caught 7 fish. Put me in first place for the kayak fishing tournament that I'm in this month. Pretty good day.
And then Andrew showed up late, but Andrew?
5 or 6 landed. One get off right at the front. Had another one steal a bait. They was busting topwater really well.
No, Greg Blanchard, GB. Shout out to GB. He posted a fish and it's fucking huge. Shit. I don't even know what it is.
Did he catch it?
Yeah, look at that. Look how big
that's a
that thing is.
24.
I caught 4. I caught a 17, 17 and a half, and then like 2 12s. So we're gonna chill. That's okay. We're gonna chill and get out on the water tomorrow morning.
I caught a blind fish.
This is Lord Farquaad.
Bro, this is insane.
This guy's chunky.
No, don't run away. Love me.
Tell me about your tent, dude. Show me your crib.
Yeah, it's just like a 3-person tent, but one person's sleeping in it tonight. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, Andrew, where's your crib at, dude? Show me your crib. Show me what we're working with here. Show me what them bands got you, dude.
Sleeping bag, pillow, blanket. That's the necessities.
Sounds miserable.
That's all we got. Also got like a legit. This is the cave.
This is the cave.
I have everything in here. I got a freaking AC, power banks, my fan.
This thing pops up in 30 seconds. It's a little plain, but check her out. Check her out. Got that.
It's just a giant
Got
triangle.
my license sitting right there. It's a giant triangle. Memory foam. Could be. Look at that porch. What are we talking? What are we talking? Hurry up.
Dude, we are like next to Austin right now. Got shit paper. Dude, I'm ready.
TP. It's MTV Cribs. Tell me what you got working with. What are you working with, dude?
Nice castle.
I'm working with this twin. Mattress here.
In the bed of his truck.
Pillow, dresser, closet.